just another item that we're stocking now at the shop because so many people request it and it's a high moving item are the Cragar wheels. Of course, I grew up on them. It's not hard to convince me to have to stock something I love that much. So I've asked Doug to go out there and to get me two 15x8 and two 15x7 wheels. So we're putting the BF Goodrich TA radials on it because that's what it had back in the day, and the 15.8 and 15.7 rims. It's gonna look beautiful. Now, when I was growing up, I don't honestly remember having a set of Cragars. Well, I did on I bought it was a 74 Satellite Sebring from J.L. Morgan Motors. Had the right fender and the right door caved in on it. I bought it for $300, but it had these beautiful Cragar 5-spokes. It made the car. The car was red and white. But my Charger, I had old ET style 5-slot mags. Guys at home know what those are. And I had Magnum 500s when I first bought it. But I know I've owned a few sets when I was a kid. I just don't remember all the cars they were on. Okay, so we're ready to put these on. He's got to do the upper control arms in the front. Good, 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 good. Excellent, excellent. It's really impressive. They're a little tricky. Okay, great. Now once it gets there, it's safe.
Okay.
So this is where it gets a little trickier. You see this stud, this lug stud, and it's touching against the chrome right there. So what I have to do is I have to pick the tire up and center it while that lug nut gets started. So try to get that bottom one there.
Doing on pretty easy so far.
Yep, that's good. About there? Yeah.
That's okay. Great.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, go. Clear. Okay. Repeat procedure, huh?
Yeah. Yep.
Right there.
You don't want to go far.
See how the washer hangs down?
Yeah, it makes it.
You don't have to line it.
I had a ratchet.
Nice work.
It's okay.
It's not quite lined up. Does that make it better?
Yeah.
Right.
Yep, there we go.
So always one of my favorite parts of a build is installing the drivetrain because it becomes a car. It goes from an empty shell, no matter how pretty it is, to a real car with wheels and tires on it and it can roll. Now all of a sudden you say, wow, that's a car. So I'm very proud of the fact that we were able to pull together this week, get so many things done, but mostly without any damage or problems, install the drivetrain in our 69.5 Super B, because that guy back in New York that's been waiting so patiently for so long is going to just be thrilled when I roll that thing forward, take pictures of it sitting there on those Cragar wheels with the BF Goodriches, all setting at ride height. It's going to make his day. And if it makes his day, it makes my day. Look at that looking beautiful. Wow. Look at that.
So what are we doing? Looking at how cool this is?
Yeah, let's get those pods up underneath it and roll that thing forward so we can get a gander at it. That looks wicked. I like it. Good job, guys. That's nice work.